how to change your bio on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your bio on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open a VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and once you're here click these 3 points and then click edit profile, and here you will find your bio. Click on it and then click delete it, and now type anything you want here, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.